CryptoSLO, cryptocurrency news and investing.
CryptoSLO with more crypto gains. Well, tonight, boys, here it is again. The CBOE Bitcoin ETF. The Winklevoss twins tried and tried and tried again. So this is on the table again. That the big boys want to have this ETF. Now, just as far as basic information, I know that they said it was going to be, I think, a 25 Bitcoin buy-in, or like equivalent of 150,000. So once again, they're blocking out the average investor from the investment vehicles, which I think kind of sucks because, the normal guy would like to get in on it too. Now, you're asking, why don't people just buy Bitcoin? Well, this goes back to the Wild Wild West Bitcoin philosophy, and that is that people want to have Bitcoin, but they want to know that their Bitcoin is safe, and they don't want the responsibility of owning and carrying those private keys or protecting them. And they also want the assurance that if something happens where the site gets hacked, or the Bitcoin gets compromised, that it will be fully insured and their money will not be lost. So in some ways, you can kind of think of it as this is that bridge of crypto, that real money relies on trust, and a trusted vehicle is a regulated and insured situation. Now, looking over at Bitcoin ETF on Google Trends, we do see a spike popping up in recently, and it looks like a lot of eyes are on this. Now you're like, oh, my coins are going to moon. Well, not so fast. As always, they're not going to go and buy 10,000 Bitcoin on the exchange, because they would suffer from slippage, and they're not going to get the Bitcoin. So what they're going to do is they're going to buy it OTC if this does happen, where this a private seller and they have a guaranteed guaranteed price for all the Bitcoin that they're buying. So let's say they're buying 10,000 Bitcoin, they're going to get them all at that set price. So what are my thoughts on this ETF thing? I mean, it kind of is funny to me, but at this point, if you got in last year late, we're basically all standing in a room trading coins with one another, and we're mining coins, and basically we're just watching the ROI of this whole thing go down. Now, with that being said, the flip side of it is the crypto market is more active than ever. There's new apps, there's this, there's that. The development is absolutely insane, but there's this gap between the public's wallet and the crypto, and really what that gap is trust. And that's the irony of this whole thing, is that crypto, in essence, is one of the most trusted, secure assets in the world. The problem is the ability for someone that is new to it, just they don't have the basic skills to get a wallet, to set it up, to get their miners running. I mean, it does take some effort. The average Joe wants to just say, oh, I want $100 a month to go into my Bitcoin ETF or mutual fund, and that's that. Well, that is kind of where we're at right now. So we have all these people, and the people involved are all technical people, and they have the skills. And once again, like I said, at this point, we're just all in a room trading coins with one another. And then on top of that, you have all these bots on the exchanges manipulating prices, and it's just honestly become a trading game at this point. And what we need to do is bring that new money in so that we can just blow past all of this monkey business with these bots and all this stuff. Also, there's another way to look at this, is that a lot of people think that big finance is going to bring more manipulation. The high frequency trading machines, HFTs, and all kinds of other monkey business to, the market. So, ultimately, if the money flows into the market, the coins are going to go up, but the coins are going to have to prove value and be backed and do something for people before that money is going to come. But I still am confident that within a year or two, you're going to see people's 401ks in crypto. It's just a matter of time. So anyways, that's tonight's video. Smash that like button. Let me know what you think about ETFs and big money coming into Bitcoin. This is CryptoSLO. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.